What's up guys? Welcome to a brand new video. Today I'm showing you all the new Palace gear that's just been dropped in the Palace Adidas drop. If this is your first time tuning into one of my videos, please hit that subscribe button for more content like this. If you haven't already, follow my Instagram. The link is in the description. I highly recommend it. I'm pretty proud of it and I really don't think you guys will regret following it. So let's click to the start of the video now. So I just got my parcel that has all the stuff I managed to cop from the latest Palace Adidas drop. The first drop of Palace and Adidas in 2018, and I am super excited because I got a fair few pieces from this drop. So basically I'm based in Sydney, Australia, and so when Palace drops occur, I prefer not to order off the Palace website if I can. I prefer ordering from a store in Australia which actually stocks Palace, a store called Supply Store. And so it dropped on Friday at 8 p.m. I almost forgot about it, but I had an alarm on my phone. And so when 8 p.m. rolled around, I started refreshing like mad, and finally the drop appeared. So straight away, I wanted the black top, and I went for the extra large in that. I thought I had it, got carjacked, and so then I was a bit frantic. I went for the gray top, and I managed to get that in extra large. And then I thought I really wanted the black shorts, and so I managed to get those in extra large. And so then I went for the gray top. I managed to get that, placed an order for it, and then I decided I also wanted the black shorts, so I quickly clicked on those and I managed to get those as well in extra large. Then, because the white top was still there in extra large, I didn't think I'd get it, but I managed to get it in my cart and went through PayPal and I placed an order for that. And so by that point I had 3 pieces. I was doing super well. And then I saw the grey shorts were sitting there as well in extra large, and I thought, well, I've got the top, I might as well get the shorts as well. Worst case scenario, I'm sure I can sell them for probably at least retail. And so I got 4 pieces in total, 1 from each of the colorways. I wasn't digging the slides, honestly, and they were super expensive, and same with the towels. I wasn't really digging them either, so I really only wanted the top and the bottom. It was also super lucky. The Australian store, the Supply Store, our prices were actually cheaper than what they were paying both in England and in America. Our tops were going for 100 Australian dollars and our shorts were going for 120 Australian dollars. So way cheaper, even with the $10 shipping I had to pay for every single item, because for all 4 items I had to place a separate order. But anyway, so I managed to get 4 pieces. I'm super stoked. Ideally I'd like to keep them all, but I'm probably gonna have to sell a few. I'm going to see what I like and what I don't like, and I'm going to show you guys that right now. So it all came today in this big box. I ordered on Friday and I got them today on a Wednesday, so that's pretty quick. Jeez, careful not to cut any of my new merch. Check that out. So what have we got here? First of all, we have the white top. Extra large, as I said. I like that they're made out of a towel material, although in Australia we're going into winter. These look like they'd be really perfect for the beach and for summer in general, and so I'm really stoked about that. So that is the white top. This is the grey top in extra large. I really dig the grey colorway. I don't think that one's as hyped. I think it goes black, white, and then grey in terms of hype, but honestly I really like the grey colorway. I've also got the grey shorts, extra large, digging those of course, and the black shorts in extra large as well. So everything in extra large, that's all it came with. I don't think they're going to come with any Palace stickers or anything like that, unfortunately, but that's just how it goes this time. So I'm going to carefully open them up to give you guys a look at them. I don't want to damage them at all because I might be selling a few of them. Although I'm almost definitely going to be keeping these black shorts. Ooh, okay. So the black shorts, I mean the fabric for all of them, it really feels like a nice towel material. Colors are nice. I like it. I mean, honestly, the towel material isn't as good as I thought it would be, which is a little bit of a letdown. Like, it's definitely soft. It's hard to describe. It's definitely a thick fabric. But yeah, it doesn't feel like it's worth 120 Australian dollars in terms of in terms of production quality. I'm just gonna put that out there right now. Then we have the grey shorts. Very similar thing. Stripes down the side. Again, I mean, it's a dope piece. It looks nice. The fabric feels a little funny. I knew that is how it would be with sort of the towel aesthetic going, but it's a little interesting. I might get a different idea when I actually wear it, but yeah. So we have the 3 stripes here. They don't feel the highest quality, and maybe that's just because it's a towel material I'm not used to. I can't really judge it properly, but yeah, for $120, these don't really feel like $120 shorts. The top looks pretty sick. I'll have to try it on. Apparently these fit a little small compared to normal Palace sizing, so they're more Adidas sizing. So I'm keen to try it on. I'm going to be keeping one of the tops, so I'm just not sure which one I'm going to keep yet. And then we have the white top. This one looks sicker than I thought it would actually. Again, exact same fabric as all of the others, so I'm not really going to comment on that, but this one, this colorway, it looks better than I thought it would. But yeah, so I'm going to try it on. I'll let you know how it feels, give you guys a bit of an idea. Okay, so I actually take back what I said about the fabric and how it feels. Wearing it, it feels super comfortable. It's really light, really breathable. Also feels like it would absorb moisture really well. So actually, it's way more comfortable than I thought it would be. And the shorts, so I've got the black shorts on now. They're like quite short. I mean, Palace shorts normally are. I'm 6'2" and a bit, and yeah, they sort of go just above my knees, so, well, we can't really see. Sort of go just above my knees, so if you're thinking about length, if you like longer shorts, then maybe these won't be your thing, but my overall impressions on this drop, I like the design, and the fabric when worn feels great. I don't think it's made with the highest quality. I don't know how well it will last, but certainly feels nice and looks nice. Definitely think it was overpriced. I mean, you can buy the exact same sort of top without the Palace text for probably a quarter of the price, and so you're getting ripped off a little bit there, but you know, that's just how it goes, especially with these Palidas drops. The quality is never that great with them, but I think these ones, in terms of design and in terms of comfort, are definitely one of the better drops they've had for a little bit.
You are now connected to Jackie Zulu. I should hit the bungee.